Let's have a look at how kombucha is actually made. This is the process that the founders Sarah and Emmett started with all those years ago on their kitchen bench, and is what they're doing still today in the fermentary, but on a slightly larger scale. Our first step is to bring water to the boil. Then add both black and green tea. Allow the teas to steep for about 3 minutes. Once our tea is steeped, we strain it into a large glass jar, add the sugar, and then let it cool to about 30 degrees. We add our kombucha feeder from a previous brew and our mother culture, or the SCOBY, which eats up all the sugar and transforms the fermented tea into the beautiful kombucha we get to drink. Once we've added the SCOBY, cover it with a muslin cloth, secure it with a rubber band, and pop it into a warm room away from direct sunlight. In about 7 to 10 days, your kombucha brew will be ready. You'll know it's ready by its taste. It'll have a slightly sour taste with no remnants of the tea flavour. After this time, your kombucha will have grown its own mother culture on the surface of the brew. Take this out, save it for your next brew, transfer the kombucha into glass bottles, pop it in the fridge, chill, and it'll be ready to drink.